The biggest pre-owned boat and RV sales event is happening this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at Boatin' RV, proud member of Factory Direct Marine and RV. There's no better time than right now to get top dollar for your trade-in or to get a deal on a pre-owned boat or RV. We have a huge selection of bow riders, pontoons, and fishing boats, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. Some models may save you more than 50% off of MSRP. On-the-spot financing with no money down to qualified buyers with approved credit. Just bring your trade, title, and checkbook and leave with the best deals of the season. When they're gone, and everything must go. So don't miss the biggest pre-owned boat and RV sales event of the year. This Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only at Boatin' RV, proud member of Factory Direct Marine and RV. Visit FactoryDirectMarine.com for locations and phone numbers.